This is the Kensington wireless trackball I've used for a full 9 years. Its durability is truly incredible. I bought this product back in 2017. Its official full name is Kensington Expert Mouse Wireless Trackball, model K72359. This trackball supports dual-mode connection via Bluetooth and wireless. It features a large 55mm red ball, which looks absolutely beautiful. For daily cleaning, I usually use a small brush like this to sweep away dust inside the base. Let's zoom in to check the key components. First, 3 ruby bearings. Next is the laser sensor lens. There's a bit of dust on it, but it doesn't affect daily use at all. Now let's take a look at the battery compartment on the back. This is the wireless receiver. When not in use, it can be stored right inside the compartment. For power, I used Panasonic Eneloop A rechargeables. The battery life is amazing. It lasts about 3 months, so I never have battery anxiety. So I never turn it off. I'm more worried about wearing out the physical switch than saving power. There's a pull tab inside to remove the batteries easily. If you're interested in these Eneloop batteries, I've left the link in the description. The USB receiver snaps securely into its storage slot. The length of this trackball unit is 145mm. The width of the main unit is 130mm. The original wrist rest is 11 centimeters long and 11 centimeters wide. I took it apart once to check the inside, so I peeled off the original feet and replaced them. The wrist rest clip is the only thing broken in 9 years, but it still works perfectly. The original wrist rest looks nice, but it's too hard and causes wrist pain after long hours. So I rarely use the original wrist rest for daily work anymore. Now I use this beanbag rest instead. It's super comfortable and my wrist never gets sore. I highly recommend a beanbag rest like this. I couldn't find the exact same one, so I linked similar options below. It feels so much better. Here's my recommended key mapping, shown right here in the Kensington Connect app. Map a double-click button, and a single press triggers it instantly. Turn on drag lock, click once, and it stays locked. Super easy on your hand. Now, let me show you how to quickly make a pip collage in CapCut. Here's how to navigate the CapCut timeline. Hold the Alt key and roll the red ball to scroll left and right smoothly. If you use drag lock, hover over the scroll bar, click the button once, and roll the red ball to scroll the timeline. Pro tip for selecting a full track: move to the start, hit the drag button, roll to the end, and left click once. Next, let's test the trackball in Photoshop. Keep in mind, holding Ctrl key while dragging layer elements in Photoshop changes how it behaves. Here, you need to hold Ctrl for precise alignment. Making precise collage in Photoshop using a trackball feels super smooth. This is truly its strong suit. Next, let's see how it handles spreadsheets. I don't use them much, so I'll just cover the basics. Quick note, the clicking sounds were amplified for this video. It's actually super quiet in real use. To boost the audio, I hit a wireless mic right in front of the trackball. If you're interested in the HoloLens Lark M2, I've left a link in the description below. With the mic this close, every click and scroll sounds super crisp. Now let's batch copy cells using drag lock and rolling the red ball. Hit the drag button on the scroll bar, then roll the red ball to scroll smoothly across large sheets. To sum up, with great customization and rock-solid durability, this Kensington trackball is still the most reliable tool on my desk after 9 years of heavy use. Highly recommended for video editors, designers, and office workers. If you're a heavy computer user, this really takes the pressure off your wrist. Gamers, skip this one. It's definitely not made for gaming. If you're interested in this trackball, I've left the link in the description below. 9 years fly by in a flash, but a true classic always lasts.